Do the lights have to be off in here?
Yeah, I can't see while I'm doing that.
Okay. This drone is going to be flying.
That's
You'll be
too
able to see
close to the
camera.
edge. Scoot it back
out of that
just a little bit, Trey.
Okay, guys? Okay. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully you guys can see that well. Gotta make sure you guys can see that camera right there. There we go. So here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna plug in this battery. And now you can see everything this thing's seeing. Cool, isn't it? And I'm about to fly it around, guys, okay? I hope you guys are blinking. Did you stare at me the whole time? Okay. What the? Okay. You guys are about to lose connection right now. You're only going to lose connection for a little bit. It's got to get a new battery. It will only take around a minute. This one, here's inside. Okay. Now guys, you're gonna watch me put it back in. It goes in really far back at first. It seems about in the middle right now. Okay, now it's around the middle. Guys are connected, but it won't work unless the controller's connected. Now that both of them are connected, you can fly around. Hi guys. Okay. Guys, you ready? Let's start back up again. Guys, you ready for this? Backflip. I can't see the road. Okay. Got you guys. Okay. We're gonna fly through that loop right there. We're gonna fly through that loop right there. Okay, we're just gonna finish it off by saying thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. See you in the next episode. Bye.